Hi Milton drivers, Jeff Robinson, Senior Vice President of Maintenance. I need to talk to you guys one more time about our CSA scores. Early on in the year, we were trending in the wrong direction, getting to the point where it could be possible intervention levels, which means every time you go through a CS or a scale house, you guys will get inspected, and we do not want that. I ask you guys to start doing pre-trips and post-trips a little closer, finding problems, reporting them to outside repair, and getting them taken care of before they are spotted by a CSA inspector or a DOT inspector. Well, I'm starting to see that trend reverse, and it's going the wrong direction because I'm seeing reports of simple violations that are resulting in major points against the driver and against the company for simple things like headlights out, marker lights out, audible air leaks and things that need to be caught during your pre-trip, your post-trip, and your stop and securement. I believe you guys are supposed to stop every 150 or 200 miles just to check a load, take a break, kind of shake your head and get your wits about you again. So with that said, what we're going to do is we can go in and see daily violations, maintenance-wise, that are showing points against our CSA scores and against the drivers. And what I'm going to do is either I will call or I'm going to have somebody, an outside repair call that has been an experienced driver and knows their business, and ask the drivers, why did you get a violation for headlights out? Didn't you notice it, or what's going on? Because most of these violations that we see can be prevented. And what it's going to cause is if we get to intervention levels, it's going to cause you guys delays, it's going to cause the company delays, it's going to cause us to lose dollars. You guys are going to lose money because you just can't drive. We're going to have to send somebody out to that scale house and get it fixed at the time. So we're at the point, this is getting very serious, and we're going to start coming down and talking to each individual driver every day about why they got a CSA violation. Some of them could be unavoidable, it just happened, but I promise you 75 or 80% of them can be caught during pre-trip or post-trip or just your throughout the day inspection. So I ask you once again, stop, do a pre-trip, do a post-trip. If you find problems with your truck or trailer, let us know. We will get it taken care of before a DOT inspector tells us to and writes you guys a ticket, writes the company a ticket. So anyway, that's about all I had today. I need you guys to stay safe, be careful, drive safely, and if you got a problem, let somebody in the shop know. Thanks again and drive safely.